I would have been out here a little bit sooner, but they gave me the wrong dressing room, and I couldn't find any place to put my stuff. And I don't know how you are, but I need a place to put my stuff. So that's what I've been doing back there, just trying to find a place for my stuff. You know how important that is. That's the whole meaning of life, isn't it? Trying to find a place for your stuff.
Girl clothes are much more complicated than guy clothes.
That's all life is, just trying to find a place for your stuff. We have too much stuff. There's so much stuff. We're trying to pack everything, and it's going through it all, trying to figure out what do you bring, what don't you bring, what do you care about, what don't you care about. It's hard.
I think the hardest part about this for me is I am always cold, so I don't know how to pack for a trip where we're both going to the hottest place in the United States, probably the Florida Keys, as well as Albuquerque, which is going to be in the 50s. I have a snow jacket that I wear walking the dogs. I'm thinking what I'll do is wear them on the trip when it's cold and then literally ship them back home so I don't have to deal with them. But we'll see how we're feeling on the actual trip.
Quinn, how many shirts should I bring? Packing is a lot of work. It makes you hungry.
So, I have packing cubes and they're all labeled, but I got these space bags. So, sorry, Quinn's not that impressed. But I got these space bags, so I put the packing cubes inside the space bags to give myself both organization and space. Let's see if the little pump I bought on Amazon works. Seal this first. Roll it up. Easy inflate.
Is it? It's not sealed. It's alright. You're not into vacuums.
It's way better now. Look,
I think so.
it's all small now.
How thin is it?
It's like that thin.
I'm bringing an entire suitcase just for electronics and like camera gear and stuff. So that should make it a little bit easier because I can like put everything in small cases and then put all these small cases into one big, I'll show you, like suitcase like this. It's a big one that stretches and gets big. Hopefully it fits everything. I got a drone, all like GoPro stuff.
I've been dreading this. I knew we would have to do it. Still was dreading it, and I finally got somewhat packed for my clothes. That was the hardest thing for me being a girl. I want to bring everything, and especially warm things, but then it'll be hot, so I don't know. And by hot, I mean like 80 and humid, probably in Florida. So it's like, what do I do?
Hey, tired dog.
Come here.
Hey, tired dog. Quinn,
Not a morning dog.
you want to pack today?
So much stuff, and this is us like paring it down.
I know it looks like a lot, but if you had to pack your life for 6 months, what would you bring?
How do we get all this in the van?
Tetris?
Tetris. So that's all the bags. At least they all fit. We did forget that one, but I feel like it'll fit when we go to do it. So
Yeah, a lot of bags.